Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, and today we going thrift shopping for the first time. Typically, I would do a full face because, I'm going out into the real world, but I am so excited. I just popped on some lashes and did my brows so that I look sociably acceptable. And we going to the thrift store, baby. I'm so excited to thrift for the first time. Now, I'm going to make a thrift wish list for today. So, here's that. Okay, we got out. Oh, I'm watching a thrift haul. Don't worry about that. Very first on the wish list, we have some Tommy jackets. I feel like I see a lot of like Tommy Hilfiger stuff like in thrift hauls. So I want a cute like Tommy jacket or like a zip up like Tommy hoodie. I feel like it'll be cute. Okay, let me live my life. I want a cute little button up, maybe a designer one. I saw in Sarah Dunk's video that she found a Burberry button up shirt and it looked so cute, and she kind of had it like off the shoulders and like cropped, and I was like, oh, I'm envious. I want some cute vintage graphic tees. I want to get some Nike stuff. Nothing in specific, just some cute Nike stuff. Nike does really cute like athletic stuff. It's cute. Some mom jeans. If I don't find a pair of mom jeans, I wasted the money on the lift there and back. I want some cargo pants because cargo pants are cute. I want some cute sweatpants. Like I don't even know how to describe it, but like the ones that you would see like come in a set. Like I want some cute ones like that. You don't know what I'm talking about, but it doesn't matter because you're not the one shopping. And I want a cute little skirt. By the time you see me, I would have Googled that, and we would be either getting in the lift or at Goodwill. So I'm in the lift on the way to Goodwill, and we passed my little sister walking home from school. So now we are in the lift on the way to Goodwill. Okay, so a few things. You can record me. You're here. Okay, so a few things just happened. When we were getting out of our lift, I literally got my headphones wrapped around the seatbelt. The seatbelt was wrapped around my purse. I got stuck, and the woman was like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, haha, yeah. And then I was like, Tia, help me. And she didn't help me. And then the woman was like, just take your time. But she was really like not okay with the fact that I was stuck to her seatbelt. Okay, so I've only found one pair of jeans so far, but look at this. I'm about to freaking redecorate my room. I thought I was bugging, but the desk is literally $9.99. The computer monitor is $9.99. The keyboard is $4.99. Like, go off, office. Okay, so I found some Express jeans. Right now in my cart, I only have one pair of American Eagle jeans. I don't know if we're gonna hit a mom jean jackpot, but you just gotta be hopeful, you know? So I found a pair of high-waisted jeans, but then look at the bottoms of them. Go off, disco. Okay, so I found some good stuff, but then I had to like reality check myself and be like, you and I both know you're never gonna wear this. So I'm leaving with two finds. This really cute skirt because I'm literally Cher Horowitz, and the American Eagle jeans. So now we're gonna go to our second thrift store. Okay, so I actually ended up getting that skirt, those jeans, and a cute little button up. So now people are staring at me. So now we're going to go to our next thrift store. I'm gonna stop recording out here before someone else gives me the stank face. So now we're at the second location, and it's like a local thrift store. It's not like Goodwill or Salvation Army or anything, but like, go off, sis. Like, this place is actually really good. So I'll check back in a few minutes and show you our finds. What's up, y'all? I found some stupid good deals at Value Village, which is like a local thrift shop. Oh my god, everything was like so bomb. Even like stuff that wasn't my size, I was looking at it like, oh, I wish I could fit that. So I'm gonna throw this stuff in the washer because I'm gonna put that on my body yet. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the washer, and then after it's washed, we gonna get into it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the haul. P.S. There are a few things in here from Forever 21, but I'll tell you guys which one those is. Okay, those weren't thrifted. But let's get into the haul. Let's go. Look to see your faces, safe in my rental, like an army truck back then. We can give a fuck back then. I ain't a kid no more. We'll never be the
cute, right? It is, I got some lash glue on it. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's too small for me. If I breathe deep, look. Okay, it's not doing it now. But just know, if I go out and I breathe deep, it's a problem. I can't even get these buttons over here. My body's too bootylicious for you, but I don't think you're ready. Right, so there you have it. There was a little glimpse into my first experience thrifting, and I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed myself, and I'm definitely going to be trying it again. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and different types of videos because I am versatile. I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye! كان مكتوب كل شي سالي وخلك راسيني عمري